Let's look at 4 ways to be debt-free in 6 months. Number 4, spend less. Carrying debt is a burden that affects many people of all ages and walks of life. If you're struggling to make ends meet each month, the thought of getting out of debt may seem like an impossible dream. One way to be debt-free in 6 months is to start spending less. Even saving a small amount each month can make a big difference over time. Let's say you decide to no longer eat out at restaurants and you save an extra $300 a month by doing this. You could save an extra $1,800 at the end of 6 months to put toward your debts. Another way to free up some extra cash is to get rid of any unnecessary monthly expenses, such as cable or gym memberships. Cutting out these expenses can help you save hundreds of dollars each year, which can be used to pay down your debt more quickly. Number 3, automate your debt payments. Debt can be a major financial burden, weighing you down and preventing you from reaching your financial goals. If you're struggling to get out of debt, one way to speed up the process is to automate your debt payments. This means setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your creditors each month. Not only does this make it easier to stay on top of your payments, but it can also help you save money on interest and fees. When you're trying to pay off debt, every little bit helps. Automating your debt payments is one simple way to get ahead of the game and become debt-free in record time. Number 2, use the debt avalanche method. The debt avalanche method is a simple but effective way to pay off your debt. Basically, you order your debts from highest interest rate to lowest, and then you make the minimum payments on all of your debts except the one with the highest interest rate. On this one, you pay even more than the minimum. Once that high interest debt is paid off, you redirect the money you were using to make that payment to the next debt on your list. This process is repeated until all of your debts are paid off. The debt avalanche method works because it saves you money on interest payments, and it also accelerates your debt payoff timeline. If you are looking for a way to become debt-free fast, the debt avalanche method is definitely worth considering. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, make extra money with a side hustle. For many people, debt is a weight that feels impossible to escape. However, there are steps that can be taken to get out of debt and achieve financial freedom. One way to become debt-free is to make extra money with a side hustle. This extra income can help you pay off your debt faster by making it possible to put more money towards your monthly payments. There are many different side hustle ideas, so there's sure to be one that is a good fit for you. For example, you could start a dog walking business or offer your services as a personal shopper. Or if you have a knack for writing, you could start a blog or freelance as a copywriter. Whatever side hustle you choose, make sure it is something that you enjoy so that it doesn't feel like work. With some dedication and effort, you could be debt-free in no time. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.